game of Blitzball between the Redbirds and the Flamingos. Joel and Brent on the Flamingos, Chaz, Jonas, and Davey on the Redbirds. Kicking things off, Brent on the mound. Chaz batting first for the Redbirds. That is a swing and a miss. Chaz is out. And Brent gets smacked in the back of the head with the ball. I'm not really sure what happened there. Jonas up to bat. There's a strike. Joel with the pitch and another strike. Joel with another pitch and it's a ball. Joel going Trevor Bauer. Closed his eyes and it's a ball. Joel with the pitch and it is a swing and a miss. That's an out. Davey up to bat. Swing and a miss. Brent with the pitch and it's a strike. Strike 3. Batter out. Into the bottom of the inning. Chaz is going to be the pitcher for the Redbirds. Brent off rip, batting, hits it into the outfield. Brent will get to second. He's going to third, and he'll stay at third where he'll be safe. Chaz with the pitch. Joel's got an interesting stance this game. He hits the ball, and he stays at first so he doesn't get out. Interesting stance from Joel there. Chaz throws the ball to Brent. Brent's back at batting. Flamingos got a run. The pitch, swing and a miss. There's a strike from Chaz. And there's the ball. Brent a little startled by that ball. I'm not sure what happened there. And Brent's going to walk. He's going to go to second because Joel was on first. And Joel would have advanced to second. But since they only have 2 batters, Brent automatically goes to second. Joel is really low, and he's going to swing and miss a lot because he's trying to match the strike zone. So there is a strikeout. Brent back up to bat. The pitch. And it's hit into the right field, I believe, and Joel will get home. Brent on second. Joel swing and a miss. The pitch. And it is a lot like that first wiffle ball game that we have played on BSL when Joel did that awful pitch. But there is Joel getting home, I guess. I don't know what just happened, but Flamingos are up 3-0, and things are looking good. Up in the air, drops. Brent gets the second. Joel goes to first. Brent back on the mound, hits it to the outfield. Jonas could have went to get that ball, but Davey goes to get it. Jonas looked a little bit lost, but there's a strike from Chaz. The pitch. Joel hits it. I don't think that should have been a fair ball because it's behind the fireplace. But it's going to be a fair ball. Brent gets a third, so Joel takes it. Now Brent's back up to bat. Strike. There's the ball. And there's a strike. Brent's doing a lot of just standing around. Not really hitting the ball. Because there's another strike. He just stood around that at bat. So the Redbirds back up to bat. Chaz starting off. 2-0. And there's a strike, I believe. That one's low. Chaz might be the only guy I've ever seen that does a bunt that goes foul over the fence. Joel and Brent getting the crowd hype. The pitch. And it is a strikeout. There's a K. Jonas up to bat. He hits it up in the air into the outfield. And he goes around the tree. He didn't have to, but whatever floats his boat. Davey up to bat. Swing and a miss way high. The pitch, and it's a strike. 0-2. And there's 0-3. That is a strikeout. Chaz back up to bat. There's a ball. And there's a strike. And there's a ball. And there's another ball, breaking the streak of balls and strikes going back and forth. And there's a strike. And there is yet another strike. That is going to conclude the second. I mean the top of the second. And Brent gets hit right on the hand, flops on the ground. I think it's a bit excessive. Not gonna lie. Um, but he's gonna walk. A strike. Joel's got to get his eye on the ball here. Yet another strike. It's not looking good for Joel's batting performance in this game because there's a strikeout, and Brent will go back to bat. Hopefully he doesn't get hit this time. And there's a strike. I'm not really sure why he swung at that. Well, I can kind of see it, but pretty low. But that's a strikeout. Joel back up to bat. Foul. Way foul. Off the top of the fence, but it's a ball. Joel pounding the plate. And that's a swing and a miss. And there's the strikeout.
We'll take this time. They're having a mound visit or a batting visit. Make sure to hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, and ring that notification bell. Ding, ding, ding. So that way you get notified whenever we post a video. All right, back to the game.
Davey up to bat. There's a swing and a miss. Davey hits it up in the air, but it's going to be foul. Swing and a miss. That is a strikeout. Chaz up to bat, and that hits the top of the strike zone on the fence, and it bounces up. But it doesn't matter because that is a walk. Hits him right in the ankle. Jonas up to bat. Swing and a miss. And he hits it right down the middle. Joel misses. Brent and Joel both miss the ball. And then Joel throws it over the fence, so he's got to go get that. Both Chaz and Jonas get home. Redbird's back in it. Down 2. Davey up to bat. Swing and a miss. The pitch, and it is a swing and a miss. Joel fiddling with the ball. That sounded a little goofy, but it's straight up the middle. Both Joel and Brent miss, but Davey's going to stay on first. Strike. A foul tip, I believe, but he's down 0-2. There's a ball. And there's strike 3. Chaz not very happy with how this game is going for the Redbirds. Clearly. But Jonas up to bat, swing and a miss, doing circles like he's lost or something. There's a ball. A swing and a miss, doing another circle. That is an out. Oh, maybe it wasn't a ball then. Chaz with the fancy pitch. Brent swings and misses. Chaz bouncing on one leg. Throws a strike, Brent. Chaz getting hype. Fiddling with the ball. The pitch. And it's way over into the neighbor's yard. And it is low. The pitch. And it is a strike. There is a K. Joel up to bat. And it is a ball. 2 balls. 3 balls. And it's up and way foul. Way high in the air. Into the neighbor's yard. Chaz late to get that ball. Joel goes to third, but he's out. I believe he is out. Chaz with the throw to get him out, but we're going to look at the replay. And the call on the field is Joel is safe. Now let's look at that replay. So we got the slow-mo. And Joel's hit clearly like at least 3 feet before he gets to the plate. So let's see what the call on the field is. I'm positive that's going to be an out. But they're going to call him safe. I don't agree with the officiating there. I think they should have looked at that replay. But there's 1 ball, 1 strike on Brent. Joel looking like he's about to steal, but he goes back because that's illegal in this game. And foul tips off Brent's foot, I think. He's not very pleased about how much bruises he's about to have after this game. And right in the arm, Brent not going to be happy. He's going to have a lot of bruises on him. One on his finger, his elbow. Joel with the hit. He's going to stay at first just to be safe. He doesn't want to get tagged like last time and somehow be called safe. The pitch. And it hits Brent right on the cheek. He's going to be feeling that one. There's a ball. Joel hits it up in the air. Bounces off the sidewalk. Davey can't get it, so Joel goes to second. Rounding third. Davey with the throw, and he gets Joel out. That is the most unlucky thing that could have happened for Joel there. Let's take a look at that replay here in a second. That's not good if you're a Flamingos fan. What a throw from Davey. That might be the best throw of the game. Swing and a miss from Brent. Swing and a hit from Brent. And Chaz tags him out at first. Brent's going to have a welt on his back. So let's take a look at that welt. Ouch. Brent, the pitcher, hits the strike zone. 0-1. 0-2. Chaz swings. 0-3. There's the K. Swing and a miss. There's a ball. And there's a strike. Swing and a miss from Davey. Davey, I like his strategy. He goes for everything and just hopes he gets contact. That's a good strategy. I'd like to see Brent do that instead of not swinging at all. But there's a strikeout, and there's a Flamingos win.
We're here with Brent. Pretty good performance from you. I mean, but how do you feel about how the game went?
I feel I did pretty good. I also feel a ton of welts on me. That hurt. Hello.
All right, that's gonna do it for. That's gonna do it. That's gonna. What's going on?